Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is our today's question on Leetcode, and this question is basically daily challenge on 3rd August, and the question is letter combination of phone number. So we will read the question first and we will try to figure out how we can solve this question. So given a string containing digits from 2 to 9 inclusive, okay, and what we have to do, we have to return all possible letter combination that the number could represent, and we can return the answer in any order. So basically we are given these digits with us, okay, and you can see that there are some characters associated with each digits. Okay, so for 2 we can have A, B or C, and for 3 we can have D, E and F and so on. So what we have to do, we have to return all the possible letter combination use for these digits. Okay, so let us have a closer view for this question. So you can see that we are having A, B, C associated with 2, D, E, F associated with 3, and similarly for all digits from 2 to 9 we are having some of the characters associated with them. Okay, so our input is 2 and 9. So for 2 and 9 we can have digits as for 2 A, B, C, A, B and C, and for 9 we can have digits W, X, Y, Z. So W, X, Y and Z. So we are having these two sets of characters for 2 and 9. So basically you can see that there are 3 characters in this set for 2, and this character, there are 4 characters in this set of 9. So we can have total of 12 permutation or 12 combinations of uh, 12 combination of strings. Okay, you can see that we can, so let us find out all those combinations. So we can have a, we can choose A from this set, and we will move from this set, move to this set, and we will take each characters in consideration. So AW can be our answer, AX can be our answer, AY can be our answer, and AZ can be our answer. And similarly for B, so BX can be our answer, BW can be our answer, and what more, what we can have, BY can be our answer, and BZ can be our answer. And similarly for C, we can have CX and CW and CY and CZ. So these are the possible combination of characters. So you can see that there are total 12 characters with us. So how we can solve this question? We can solve this question using some sort of recursion and backtracking. So what we will do, when we are on this first set, we will choose any one character. So let's say we can choose an A, and what we will do, we will go to the second set, and again what we will do, we will choose any one of the character from that set, and what we will do, we will recursively move on to the another set if there exist any others another set. So you can see that for this input we are having only 2 sets, and let's suppose we are having 3 sets. So we will, if we choose A from this set, first set, and W from this second set, we will move on to the third set, and we will solve for the third set also. So let us try to code this question. So basically we will have our vector of string with us, and this is going to return all the combinations of characters. So it will return all combinations. Okay, so you can see that we are having all some values associated with each digits. So for this we can use unordered map. So unordered map of character and vector of character MP, and let us generate these maps. So I have already generated them, so I will directly copy paste it. So these are the values associated with each digits. Okay, so what we can have, we can have in an variable end. So it is initially 0, it is nothing but our current index. So it is nothing but our current index. Okay, so what we will do, we will iterate over all the values of a particular digit, or the first element of this digit. So what we can do, we can iterate over all the elements of MP of digits of index. So index is initially 0, so we will iterate over all this index, and initially we will have a string with us, so string s, which is nothing but empty. So it is nothing but it is a particular combination of letters. Okay, so it is nothing but it is particular combination of all letters. So what we can do, we can uh, push back ele in the string, and we will do some sort of recursion here. And after that, what we will do, we will use some sort of backtracking with us with here. Okay, so for recursion, what we can do, we can use recursive void function. So void get combo. So get combo means it will return all the combinations. Okay, it will generate the combinations. So what we can have, we can have our index. Okay, and string digits, and what we can have, we will have this map with us, an ordered map. So yeah, the unordered map with us, and vector of string result with us, and string s. Okay, string s. So what we will do, you can see that if we have done with all the digits, so if we are done with all digits, we will finally what we will do, we will store the value of we will store our string s in our resultant vector. So if index is equal to digits dot size, so in this case what we will do, we will just push back our string s in the res, and we will just return it. And otherwise what we are going to do, we are again iterating over the indexes of our current index. So for auto ele of mp of digits of index, so what we can do, we can push back that ele. And again what we will do, we will solve recursively for the next set. So I have said here that if we are solving for this set, what we will do, we will choose any element from this set, and we will solve recursively for the another set or second set. So you can what we can do, we can run this function recursively, and index plus 1 digits map and res, and we are having string s. And what we will do, we will, for backtracking part, what we will do, we will just remove this ele from this string s. So simply what we will do, we will pop out the last element, so s dot pop back. Okay, and here also for recursion, what we will do, we will use get combo, and our index is what we will do, we will solve for the next index, and digits mp res and s. And for backtracking, what we will do, we will just pop out the last element that we have added in our string, and in this way, and finally what we will do, we will just return our result. Okay, so let us see whether the code works or not. So you can see that test cases are passing. So let us see for main cases. So yeah, all the cases are passing, and our solution is beating 100% of users in C++. So let us see again the code and try to understand it again. So what we have done, we have declared our string vector of string, which will return all the combination, and you can see that there is some values associated with each digits. So for that, we have created this unordered map, and we have stored the values associated with each digit. You can see that in the how we have generated it. And what we will do, we will, as I said here, that we will go on each set, and we will choose one number from each set, one digit from each set, or one character from each set, and we will move to the other set, and we will solve recursively. Okay, so that's what I am doing here. So we are going on a particular set. Okay, so for the we are going this on the set of 0th index, okay, and we are just taking that element and we are doing some sort of recursion, and again what we will do, for backtracking we will remove that element. And here is our recursive function. So I will write here, this function is just generating the combination. So this function is generating the combinations, okay. So what we can say, that the base case is nothing but, so base case is nothing but if index is digits or size. So what does it mean? If we have done with all digits, we will simply push back the value of s in our res vector and we will just return. And otherwise, what in recursive cases, what we can do, we can iterate over the digits, we can iterate over the set of element, a set of that digits, and what we can do, we can choose any one of the digits, and what we will do, we will solve recursively for the next set, and we will pop for backtracking, we will pop back the element, okay. So in this way we have solved this question, and if I hope you understood my solution, and if you like my solution, if you like my code, you can like my video also. And if you have any kind of doubt regarding this question, you can ask me in comment section, or if you want to share any idea regarding this question, you can also comment it. And if you want to see some more videos like this, you can subscribe my channel, and the code is will be present at description. Thank you.